Here I have ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode by holding your finger on it. You can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be like conversations, calls, messages, it could be apps, it could be alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and also calendar events. You can also set up a default duration of this mode, and you can also hide notifications. Like you can only disable sound from notification, or you can also disable visuals and sound. Or you can customize here which notifications you want to have enabled and which one you want to have disabled, or something like that. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.